I'm Dennis Moreland with Dennis Moreland Tack, and today we're going to talk about wiping your tack. Keep checking for weak spots, and you should check for weak spots in your tack every time you ride. But every week or so, I like to wipe things down. You can do it every day if you have time. About once a month, I like to wipe my saddle down with and I use Bentley saddle soap, and it's the best saddle soap that I've ever used. If something is real dry, we'll use pure Neatsfoot oil. We'll saddle soap it first, and then we'll put a light coat of pure Neatsfoot oil, and then go back and saddle soap again later to take the surface oil off. But if your tack's in good shape and you're using it on a regular basis, about all you need to do is wipe it down with Bentley saddle soap. And to get started, I'm going to roll my sleeves up. I'm not going to take the bridle completely apart, but I am going to unbuckle the headstall. And you can check in here for wear. I'm going to take the curb off because that's something that can get you in a storm, and we don't look at often enough. Just spray a little Bentley's on a piece of sheepskin. If you have a piece of sheepskin, that's fine. If you don't, a soft rag works just as good. Be sure and wipe your strings good. Look at the back side where you don't have a lot of slack in your strings, whether you bleed them together or you tie them in a knot. Just give it a good wiping. The beauty of Bentley's, you can just wipe it on and you don't have to wipe it off. It's a very good product. Old curb's dry, and we'll work around the buckle where it folds. Also check your strings on your reins, that they're pulled tight. Check the bridle rein ends, they're not worn on the inside there. Pull down your reins. And you also, while you're doing this, you're checking for weak spots in the reins. Everything looks good. Okay, your bridle's ready to go use. We know that everything is in good shape. There's not any weak spots on it. If you ride Romal reins, we would start off with Bentleys. These Romals are real dirty, so we're gonna saddle soap them good. And if your Romals or your saddle or any of your tack is real dirty, you can take a little soft bristle brush and do some scrubbing with it after you put some saddle soap on it. After we do the Romal reins, we will go back with a light coat of Rawhide cream and just take a very light coat. Just rub it on, make it last and make it feel good in your hands. Look at your tack every day when you're saddling, when you're putting a bridle on. We want you to stay safe. Hope this helps.
For more tips and to take a look at some of the country's finest handmade tack, log on to dmtack.com.